Alright, what's up YouTube? Just wanted to show you my green parakeet right here. His sear is starting to turn nice and blue. She's been working on this box. He's been working on this box. Like just going in there, just hanging out in there. Basically, I'm gonna get some wood before long and make them a bird breeding boxes. Or I might just go on Amazon and order with the plastic ones, so it'll last longer. I just cleaned their cage and man, they're ready. Went to town and dirtied it up. I'm gonna have to clean it again tomorrow. Anyways, these two little couple, this couple over here. There they are. This couple right here, they're madly in love with each other. He's always feeding her and kissing her, tapping his beak on her. And water, their food. They have 3 things of water to keep them hydrated. Big thing of food. Yeah, they have a little bit of water there and a little bit of food there. I'm going to get me another food thing, and I think I'm going to put it up there in that corner way back there. But she's been spending a lot of time at this nest box and fighting the entrance, and hopefully before long I start seeing some babies. So there he goes, he's kissing her. She's a lucky girl. She got the guy that likes her, loves her. Make sure she stays happy and healthy. Well, I don't want to disturb them too much because there you go. There's some action. So if I get all 4 of them, you see those 2. See this one and the females right there. He's finally coming into his own. He's finally getting that. Come on, man. Turn around. People want to see your sear. Let's open this up. That's the female. You see how her feet are pink? People are always saying that you can only tell by the sear if it's going to be a female or a male. Well, I've been doing research and reading some people that are really into birds, and I've been doing my research, but you see her feet, how they're pink? It's female. You see how his feet are dark? If I come up here, see how they're dark? His sear's trying to turn blue. He's a male. I'll even show you the same thing with my other couple over here. You see, this is the male. As you know, it's a sear. Feet are dark. Female. Feet pink. Pink sear. These 2. Perfect example, and so are my other ones. They're always kissing, tapping beaks, and loving each other. So hopefully, before long, I start seeing her rear end a little bit heavy, so I can start seeing her lay some eggs. But thank you for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be ordering my snake here before long. I'll video record it. I'll video record me ordering it, and we'll do an opening. Alright, thank you.